Hello everyone, welcome back to the SolidCAM University. In this lesson 2, I will show you how to start a CAM project from SolidWorks. So first thing we will do is come to our SolidCAM toolbar, click New Milling. What this will do is open up a dialog for us asking us where we would like to save the CAM part. So we can save the CAM part right next to the SolidWorks model, or we can choose a specific location, as well as if we want to do internal or external. Internal is meant to stay internal to the SolidWorks file. External means you will have a SolidWorks file and a SolidCAM file, as well as do we want to run in inch or metric. Once we're happy with those locations, we can hit the Save button. And what this will do is it will open up a dialog of where do we want to put our coordinate system, our stock, our target, and what machine. So for this particular part, we are going to be running this on a Haas UMC 750. If I would like to run it on a different machine, I can pick it from the list here. And our coordinate system. Putting the coordinate system on is where do we want our X, Y, and Z 0. So for this particular part, I will put it in the top center of the part. And all I have to do is just click on the face. By clicking on the face, you will see that it has automatically put a Z, Y, and X direction right in the exact center of our part here for us. Once we're happy with that location, we can go ahead and click the green check mark to accept that. And now we can go into defining our stock. What the stock is basically what material we're starting with. So usually our stock on something like this, we will start off with the bar stock. So you can see I clicked on here and it's telling me that this part is 98 millimeters by 36 millimeters by 30 millimeters high. Now if we wanted to add an additional onto that, I can come in here. Instead of doing 98 millimeters in the X, I can tell it we could do 100 millimeters. So we have a little bit extra for saw cut, as well as our width of our part, or our Y, we can set to 40 millimeters. And our Z is already set to size at 30 millimeters. Now by creating that, you can see it creates a box all the way around our CAD model for our stock. Now if we would like to turn that into a 3D model, we can come down here and click on Create 3D Model, and this will produce a transparent 3D model of our stock. Once we're happy with that stock, and that's exactly what you're looking for, we can hit the green check mark out of there to accept it. And now you can see that the target is automatically checked, but in the target, what it is looking for here is your SolidWorks model itself, or the CAD model. So you can see that it's already been selected for us. We have a solid one in there, and we can accept that. Now we have our what CNC machine we're going to be running on. We have where do we want our X, Y, and Z coordinate system. We have the stock that we are going to be starting with, as well as our SolidWorks model. Now right here we can tell it that we would like a custom program number, but from right here we can go ahead and click out the green check mark, and this will bring you over into programming the part. Stay tuned for the next video showing you how to do this.